Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use DoorDash Crimson Card. So first, on online and inside store purchases, use your virtual or physical Crimson Card anywhere where Visa is accepted. Next is, you can add it to digital wallets. For convenience, you can add your Crimson Card to Apple Wallets, Google Wallet, or Samsung Wallet. Now for bill payments and transfers, utilize the routing number 0759722202 and your account number found in the Dasher app to set up direct deposits, pay bills, or transfer funds to other accounts. And lastly, for the ATM withdrawals, you can access over 40,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide through the MoneyPass network. And that's basically it.